Hey there, let's talk about merging dictionaries in Python. So let me create two dictionaries. This is some data. So it's going to be a name, it could be my name, I don't know, and then say that my Twitter handle, and in the beginning I did not have Twitter, and then say that some new data represents, I don't know, some kind of data update, and so this is my Twitter handle now. And what I want to do is create a dictionary that has my data. So, I don't know, a dictionary that represents me. And one way to do this is by using the this operator right here. I think they call it the split operator, but it's just two asterisks. And essentially what this is doing, you can imagine it's just splitting the two dictionaries together. So we put two asterisks on the left of each dictionary, and then the result contains the data from both dictionaries. And notice that the dictionary on the right will overwrite the things on the left. So my Twitter handle is here, and or you see the string here instead of none, because this is the dictionary on the right. If I swap the order, so if I do new data and then some data, what will survive is the value none, because the dictionary on the right takes precedence or overwrites what comes on the left. Now, since Python 3.9, you can use the pipe operator to do the same thing. So you can have some data and then pipe new data, and this builds a new dictionary by combining the keys and the values of both. And again, the dictionary on the right will overwrite things. And also, from Python 3.9 onwards, you can actually update a dictionary in place with the pipe operator. So you can do just extended assignments with the pipe operator. You do pipe equals, so there's going to be some data, pipe equals new data, and then the old dictionary gets updated. So you can see now my Twitter handle is in here. So I hope this was helpful, and I see you soon. Bye.